What's the meaning of customer facing? Customer facing. Customer facing.
Customer facing. Customer facing. Customer facing refers to any business function or process that directly interacts with customers. This can include things like customer service, sales, marketing, and product support. By focusing on customer-facing areas, businesses aim to maximize the positive experiences customers have with their products or services, thereby increasing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Given the importance of repeat business and positive word-of-mouth recommendations, a strong customer-facing strategy is essential for long-term success in today's competitive marketplace.